Hello and welcome to another episode of Healthy Living with Dr. Judy. So today our raspberry is ready. It is July 1st and the summer is here and the raspberry are going wild, and this is one of the reasons why having your own garden is such a blessing, because you can come out on a nice sunny day. If you feel like wanting to have some berries, we can actually have some. So let's go ahead and pick some. So they are ready for harvest. Some of them are, it's just so amazing to just come and pick organic raspberry, um, and have them as a snack or whatever you want with it. Smoothies or in a salad. So our raspberries going wild right here. You can see they're ready to be picked and harvest, and this is only July 1st and it'll go until September. So at a grocery store an ounce of raspberries probably $5 or so. So I hope this will inspire you to really just put some raspberry down into your backyard or front yard, or put them in a pot if you don't have a land, because it doesn't take much to plant the raspberry. It's very easy to take care of. You just plant them and they just grow, and you get them year round. So this is one of the best way to get organic raspberry. So look at that, a handful already. All right, I hope you enjoy this video. Click like, and if you like me to post anything else, please comment. Bye for now.